Hi, this C-Class is a stylish executive sedan that packs in luxury, comfort and refinement. This model is one of the key pillars of the Mercedes sedan range in India, and it is bang up to date. The prominent three-pointed star logo commands attention, and it gets the signature twin louver grille design similar to the bigger E-Class. What's more, you have LED headlamps, 17-inch alloys, chrome window surrounds, and at the rear, this chrome treatment on the bumper replicates twin exhaust pipes, and the diffuser-like look goes well with its sporty character. Inside the C-Class, the cabin feels luxurious, it is solidly built, and the quality feels simply superb. What's more is that you now get digital dials, ambient lighting, and a crisp 10.25-inch floating infotainment screen with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. In addition, this system packs in a variety of connected car features via the Mercedes-Me smartphone app, which lets you connect to your car to check the status, remotely control the door locks, track your vehicle, control onboard navigation, and in case of an accident, it will even alert emergency services via an onboard SIM card. Taking practicality a step forward is the 40-20-40 split folding rear seat design, which in addition to being really comfortable, also offers users the flexibility of carrying longer items by folding a part of it down. Powering the C-Class are a choice of 3 engine options. There's a 203 horsepower 2-litre turbo petrol engine with the C200 and a 2-litre diesel engine available in 2 states of tune. There's a tamer 194 horsepower in the C220D guys, which does 0-100 in a claimed 6.9 seconds. And then there's a more powerful 245 horsepower C300D, capable of a 0-100 sprint in just 5.9 seconds and a top speed of 250 km per hour. All engines are mated to a 9-speed automatic which powers the rear wheels. But picking the right variant can be a bit confusing, so we clear the clutter and simplify it for you. Prime is the starting point of the C-Class range, available with the petrol C200 or the diesel C220D. For the money, you get kit like auto LED headlamps, 17-inch alloys, 7 airbags, ESP, driving modes, 10.25-inch infotainment, cruise control, panoramic sunroof, and a long list of features. Progressive is the next variant in the lineup, available in the C200 and C220D guys. It offers you some additional feel-good features like wireless charging, digital dials, a 225-watt 9-speaker midline sound system, electric front seats with memory, navigation and active park assist. So those were the feature additions over the Prime variant. And while the Progressive variant is really well equipped, if you really want to pamper yourself, here's what the top spec AMG line has to offer. The AMG line is available only in the C300D guys. It gets larger wheels, drilled brake discs and racier calipers, a chrome-studded grille, multi-beam LED headlamps, AMG-inspired enhancements on the outside, and a sporty flat-bottom steering. And although its equipment list is shared with the Progressive variant, it gets interior colors and trims exclusive to the AMG line variant. The C-Class range is available with a 3-year standard warranty, extendable to the 6th year of ownership. Mercedes-Benz also offers the Star Agility Plus. It's an innovative ownership solution with 40% lower EMIs, maintenance packages, extended warranty, assured buyback value, and easy upgrades. In conclusion, the Mercedes-Benz C-Class nicely blends elegance and sportiness, be it in its styling or the way it drives. Its engines offer strong performance, its interiors are classy and well built, and then there's just so much to like about the C-Class.